General Cavi presents an advanced and sustainable response to harmful emissions. Low-smoke halogen-free cables, capable of guaranteeing high performance even in extreme conditions. These are low-smoke halogen-free cables. A leap forward in terms of safety and environmental sustainability. Thanks to their particularly advanced composition, in the event of a fire, these cables reduce the spread of flame and the release of heat, with drastically lower levels of smoke, toxic gases and corrosive acids, a fundamental aspect in emergency situations when every second counts. Let's think about what happens in a fire. Visibility is rapidly reduced, the air becomes unbreathable, and escape routes are difficult to spot. By minimizing smoke and gas emissions, low-smoke halogen-free cables guarantee a safer environment and longer times to safely evacuate buildings and enclosed environments. Low-smoke halogen-free cables facilitate the work of rescue teams who find themselves operating in less dangerous conditions. In addition to safety, sustainability. The composition of low-smoke halogen-free cables is ecologically sustainable thanks to the absence of halogens and the use of materials designed to limit environmental impact, both in the production and disposal phases. The main features are absence of halogens to reduce the formation of toxic and corrosive gases, limited fire propagation, which slows the spread of the fire, very low smoke emission to maintain greater visibility on escape routes, environmentally sustainable composition in line with a green market. These superior performances are certified by rigorous laboratory tests, which have shown how low-smoke halogen-free cables maintain their functionality even in dangerous conditions. It is no coincidence that they are used not only in critical contexts such as data centers, AI supercomputing clusters, where reliability is an essential requirement, but also in industrial situations, public buildings, and modern infrastructures where safety and performance cannot be renounced. Choosing General Cavi low-smoke halogen-free cables means trusting in a safe, high-performance and responsible solution. Because when technology meets sustainability, every detail makes the difference.